Yes, my people, good day. This is rear brakes on the 2010 Mercedes E350. So, you see we got disc rotors on the back. We are doing a brake job. And here go the new rotor here because this rotor is below spec. It has an edge on it and we measured it and it's below spec. This is the new one. So, what I want to show you is, so we got disc brakes in the back. How do we do parking brakes? Check it out. So even though we have new technology with disc brakes and everything, we still maintain the tried, tested, and proven. Boom! We got brake shoes back here. So these brake shoes, they make a little mini drum on the inside of the rotor. A lot of manufacturers do it. And they use two small brake shoes. So when you set the parking brake, it's actually this that is holding and not this that is clamping. You understand? So before I put the new rotor on, I just go ahead with the wire wheel and just give it a once over, you know, and you just reach around all the way around. You just do the reach around the circumference of the flange, and yeah. And that way now you get everything off. You understand? So yeah man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah!
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.